Hello students, today we will know about some advanced features of MS Excel. So first we will open the MS Excel. So here first we will go to the start button, then click all program. We will drag this scroll bar from the downside and search the Microsoft Office folder. Then we will click the Microsoft Office Excel 2007. So here the window will be open. So in this window, this overall window, overall area, this area it is known as the spreadsheet, and this spreadsheet it is the combination of the cell, many cell, and the each cell to identify the particular address. This is known as the cell address, yes, cell reference. So first we will know about the cell reference. So a cell reference identify the location of a cell or group of cell in the spreadsheet. So this overall sheet it is known as the spreadsheet, and this spreadsheet it is the combination of a cell to identify the horizontal way, it is the record, and when we have to talk about the vertical way means ABCD, so this is the column. Then after we will discuss about the types of cell reference. So there have three type of cell reference. Number one is relative cell reference, second one absolute cell reference, third one is mixed cell reference. So the all type of cell reference we will discuss about one by one. So I have already made some table relative to cell reference. So we will click this office button, and this one file I have already created, so we will click this cell reference. So the particular files will be open on your monitor screen. So first we will discuss about the relative cell reference. So here I have already made this table, and this table will guide you how can we calculate the total revenue from total expenses and net income. So here how can we get this value? So here we will apply some value, some formula for using for getting this value. So first we will delete the all entry from this column. First we will select the all entry, then after press the delete button. So all entry will be deleted from the column name is J, and first we will discuss about the cell reference, how to find out the address, cell address. So when we will click the any particular cell, so here what is the cell address is this column, this cell. So first we will check the column. So here the column name is L, and then after we will move to the horizontal way. So here the cell row number is 7, so we will write this cell address is L7, understand. So first we will click this cell. So what is the cell address of this one cell? So here we will column name is J, and the cell row is 7, so this cell address is J7. So here we will apply the formula. So first we will separate this total revenue from this total expenses, then after we will get the net income. So here how can we put the formula, how can we apply the formula? So here simple press the equal sign, then after we will write the first cell address from this one. So this is the total revenue. So what is the cell address of this cell? So here H column, and what is the row is 7, so this cell address is S7. Then we will get the cell address of this cell. So here column is I and row number is 7. So here we will simple separate and I and 7, I7. So the particular cell will be selected, then after press the enter button. So the net income will be calculated. Then after we will get the all entry. So how can we get the all entry? So simple go to this point icon and drag this point icon from to the top to bottom side and release the mouse button. So the all entry will be calculated. Now I hope all of you have to understand the relative cell reference. Then move to the next cell reference. So the next cell reference is absolute cell reference. So according to the definition, how can we calculate this absolute cell reference? So here first we will fix some cell, then after we will get the output, we will get the result. So this table will guide you how can we calculate the percentage. So this cell is fixed and the particular cell is relative, means the all cell all entry will be changes, but this cell is fixed. So how can we fix the particular cell? So first we will delete the all entry from the table. So first we will select the all entry from G. So how can we select the particular column? So we will simply press the shift button from the keyboard and press the down key. So the all entry will be selected, then press delete button. So the all entry will be deleted from the particular column. So now we will calculate the total percentage marks Pushpin got. So here we will apply the formula from this particular cell. So here first we will need to the cell address of this cell. So here what is the column of name is F and what is the cell row is 7. So here we will simply write equal to F7 because this number is represent on F and row number is 7. So here we will simply write F7. Then after we will divide this value from 100. So we will write the cell address from this value. So this cell address is F and what is the row number is 5. So here we will simply write F5. But in this case we have to fix this cell. So how can we fix this cell? So before the F and 5 we will write the dollar sign. So here we will simply write the dollar sign from the F symbol and before the dollar sign for the 5, row number 5. Then after we will press the enter. Now we have to calculate the remaining student percentage. So simple, we will click this point and drag this point from up to the last point from Manoj, and then after release the mouse button, so the all student percentage will be automatic created. Now I hope this absolute cell reference all of you have to understand. Then move to the next cell reference. So the next cell reference is mixed cell reference. So we will click the mixed cell reference. So I have already made this cell reference, this table. So this table will guide you the mixed cell reference. So how can we get the table with using the mixed cell reference? So here first we will delete the all entry from the table. So first we will select from, so press the shift key and right arrow, then after we will press the down arrow, then press the delete key. So the all entry will be deleted from the table. Then we will apply the formula. So first we will create this 21 table. So first we will find out the cell address of this cell. So this column is H and row number is 9. And what is the cell address from this one? 1. So here the cell address column is G and row is 10. So here we will click this cell and equal to. So first we will write the cell address of this cell G1. So here we will simply write G1. Then after multiply the H. What is the value of 21? So H9. So here we will write the H9. Then we will fix some value. So here we will fix some value means when we will go to the downside, then which value will be changes. So here the column is fix H, but row is changes. Row is changes because when we will move to the this cell. So here what is the cell address of this particular cell? So here column is H but row is change. So here we will fix the column and row is change. Now we will fix the row and column. So here we will fix the row is, first we will fix the column. So here first we will fix the column is, so this G column is fixed. Then after we will fix the row from when we will go to the downside. So here we will fix the row. So press the dollar sign. Then after here what is the row is 10. So G10. Then press the enter. Now we will drag the mouse button from right hand side, so this table will be generated, means all value will be generated. Then after we will press the mouse button from the downside and drag the downside, so the all entry will be generated.